The rules for the challenge are simple. Find a decor piece for your home that's out of your price range and recreate it for less. The item I have chosen for this challenge is this adorable coffee shop sign from Pottery Barn. The retail price for this item is $199, which is definitely more than I want to spend for my kitchen wall decor. So today I'm headed to my local antique store to find a window similar to the one from the Pottery Barn, and I want something that's going to fit right here on this blank space on my wall. I'm pretty sure I can find one at my favorite antique store called Paramount, because recently I found a similar window, which I did for this project right up here when I created my Friends themed coffee bar. If you want to see the video for that, I will link it. Okay, let's head to the antique store and see what we can find. Okay, I think I found what I need. This is $4 and it's the right shape. It's a little smaller than the one in the picture from Pottery Barn, and it only has 2 panes instead of 3, but I think we can make it work. I love the price of $4. The only thing is it has no glass. So we're gonna have to add some glass to this, but I think we can make it work. I saved some money by purchasing a window that didn't have any glass in it, but now we need to put some glass in it for this project. So I went to the Goodwill store and I found this inexpensive print for $5. My husband has graciously agreed to cut the glass to fit in the window. Okay, so here is the piece of glass, and we got really lucky, and the width is actually perfect. So all he has to do is cut a line down here. As you can see, my husband did an awesome job cutting that piece of glass and placing it here into the window. He's also filled in some of the nail holes and just sanded it a little bit. So now the window is ready to be painted. I'll be using Annie Sloan chalk paint. The color is pure white. I purchased vinyl letter stickers in all different sizes because I wasn't really sure what exactly I want to do yet. So I went ahead and bought these. These large black vinyl letters were only $1 from the Dollar Tree, so that's awesome. I bought a few sheets of these, but my Dollar Tree store didn't have any smaller lettering, so I went to Hobby Lobby and luckily they were on sale, 40% off all stickers. So I purchased these letter stickers in a variety of sizes and fonts just so I can figure out exactly what look I want. If I don't use them for this project, I'm sure I'll use them for something else. Now we're ready to apply the lettering. I've really toyed with what I want this thing to say. I'm not gonna put the same writing as what was in the example, but I have cut out the letters to spell out some words that I am planning and just laid them out on the glass. That way I can see about the spacing and how it's going to look before I actually commit to sticking the stickers onto the glass. I'm going to measure where I want the top of these letters to be, and I'm going to measure it at 1 inch and just using a dry erase marker to draw a little dot there at the 1 inch mark. And then again over on this side. Now, I'll put a piece of painter's tape across here. That way I know where my letters need to go so that they can line up. Wow, I'm halfway finished finished with this. I finished this side, and I have to say, I already love the way this is turning out. I can't wait to see the final product. The other piece is going to be a surprise, so stay till the end and find out what it says. I love the way the sign turned out, but I also love how much money I saved. Y'all, if I had bought this from Pottery Barn, it would have cost me about $200. But I was able to make this sign today for about $15. That is awesome. Thanks so much for watching my video today. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and come back for more inspiring ideas. Bye for now.